new style that we invented. It's called Corteccio. What it is, it's like a bark of a tree. Very easy. I'm gonna show you how this is done right now. Okay, so this is your first coat. You're gonna put a second coat with a deep brown color. You're gonna put it on somewhat thick. Thick enough so you can do this texture. You just drag the product down. Okay, now, as soon as it's still wet, so every 2 feet you stop, you come, and then you put the Swahili. So this is gonna make it a two-tone. And the special part about it is that you can put so many different colors. You can put red or green. I'm putting another color right on top of it right now. Okay, while it's still wet, you just put the other color right on top of it. You just blend it in. Blend it in. But it's very important while it's still wet. Boom. Okay, finito. Corteccio. You can put so many different colors on top of it. Okay, so when this is completely dry, we'll just put a clear wax on it, or you can put a gold wax or a bronze wax to bring out some more metallics. This right here was done the same way, but the background color, the base, the fine marmorino, was done in just white. This one was done in a brown chocolate color. So this one was just done in white, and then I put this gray on top of the white while it's still wet, so it blends in like that, and then I put a little bit of this reddish color on it. When it was dry, I put silver wax on it. Beautiful. You can do this in so many different colors.